What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Today, just popping into the YouTube and doing a status update on how many subscribers I have in light of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So we are almost there, guys. 7 more subscribers to initiate the 1,000 subscriber video. By tomorrow, we should have it. I was hoping today would be the day, but what's one more day when we have this steady growth? So thank you to all the new faces on the channel, and for those of you first-time watchers, feel free to join the community. I'm doing a $50 Litecoin giveaway, giving away $10 worth of Litecoin to 5 commenters on this video. So definitely subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below to enter you in to win for tomorrow's big 1,000 subscriber video, assuming we reach it. So thank you guys so much for the support. Heading over to the markets, we see a pleasant turn of events here. Markets back in the green. They've all made slight little recovery, and if we actually see, there's a bullish flag there, bullish flag, so looking like we're gonna start heading into some bullish uptrends. A lot of people have been buying crypto on these dips, which is the smart thing to do when it dips down. So Bitcoin's just under 11,000 today. It was above 11,000, so a little bit of a pullback from the spike, but we see it correcting into this bullish flag here, gonna start heading up. Assuming there's no other FUD news coming out of Asia, we should see prices starting to spike here in the next few days. So just a quick update on the markets. So far, we are starting to recover again, so let's hope we can keep riding this out. Now for Davorcoin Reinvest. So I've been saving up my Davorcoin the past few days, and I've got about $18.63 in my lending wallet. Now I've been debating whether or not to move this over to actually my DAV wallet, because the price of DAV is dipping right now. So it's a great time to buy DAV coin, but I actually think I want to add this to my lending to continue the growth there. So if we see here, I've got about $214.84. Let's go ahead and reinvest this $18.63. So we're slowly growing our investment. And again, the cool thing about Davorcoin, you can invest odd amounts above $10. So let's reinvest this. And there we go, $233.47 in our lending wallet, slowly earning on all our reinvests here. We can see this list of reinvestments. I've been slowly reinvesting pretty much every time it gets above $10. It shouldn't be long before we hit $300 invested, which is cool. So my investment strategy for Davorcoin is this. I'm gonna reinvest for 2 months and then withdraw the funds for 1 month. And that will cover my initial investment. So my initial investment was $130. I started January 1st, and for the first month, I'm going to continue to reinvest. So I've almost doubled now my initial investment, which is really cool. Definitely happy with my earnings this month. It is an incredible program, and these high interest rates definitely allow it to grow quickly. Again, my strategy is investing for 2 months straight. So I'll invest till the end of February, and then March, I'm gonna start moving my investments over to my DAV coin wallet and start building my DAV coin wallet, and either transferring those out to Bitcoin and putting them in Bitcoin holdings, or just holding them in the DAV wallet if I see the DAV coin going up and taking profits on that as well, possibly staking the coins in their online staking program here. So that's just a little bit of a DAV coin update. Reinvesting for 2 months, taking profits for 1 month, and I'll continue that cycle. So 2 months reinvesting, 1 month taking profits. That way I will not make the same mistake I made on BitConnect, where I didn't take any profits at all, and I will be sure to take profits so that if anything were to happen to this lending program in the future, I would be playing with house money and my initial investment would be safe, and I will have earned and taken profits from it. So that's just a tip to you guys for a cool Davorcoin reinvestment strategy. Invest heavy for 8 weeks and then take profits for 4 weeks, either holding them in DAV coin or moving them to Bitcoin and just storing your Bitcoin in something like an Exodus wallet or on an exchange somewhere. So that's that little update for Davorcoin, guys. Let's go ahead and head over to our YouTube random comment picker and pick today's Litecoin giveaway winner. Let's go ahead and start the giveaway here. If you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. That's for the time being, preparing for my $50 Litecoin giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. And to enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. So winner is Nikki Sexy. With Bitcoin, it gave us all voice. You think cryptocurrency and blockchain are here to stay for good? I definitely think they're here to stay for good. We're hearing more and more of new stores, new websites opening up that accept different cryptocurrencies as payment for the goods they're selling or the services they're selling. storytelling, and the blockchain technology is just so useful and so practical that I think even outside the realm of cryptocurrency, the blockchain technology is here to stay. Governments are already talking about using the blockchain technology to keep record of our medical records, social security numbers, our identification numbers, our passports, our birth certificates. So there's already talk from governments to utilize the blockchain technology to really organize the citizen systems and the way things work, just keeping a good account of everything. So that's definitely cool. So let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin, Nikki. Thank you so much for entering to win. Here is your $10 worth of Litecoin. And your Litecoin is on its way. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Let's go ahead and hit that 1,000 subscriber mark by tomorrow so we can do tomorrow's big $50 Litecoin giveaway. Super excited to reach that mark, and I've been setting up and organizing a Discord chat that I'm going to release to further build our community and make it more like a family who shares and encourages one another, sharing our successes with one another, sharing our failures with one another, and learning all together as we grow here in 2018 in the crypto space. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment with your Litecoin address down below. Thanks for joining us today. I'll see you tomorrow.